Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Whiteboard Wealth. In today's video, what we're going to be talking about is KIN. This is another trending cryptocurrency that is trending currently. So if this is your first time here coming to our channel, consider liking and subscribing with post notifications turned on, as we do give you daily updates of the trending cryptocurrency and cryptocurrencies in general. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's begin. So I do believe this cryptocurrency is trending so much because it currently has a dip. So I believe that is the reason why it is trending. So let me go ahead and have the live price data for the last 24 hours read out, and I will get into that right now.
KIN price live data. The live KIN price today is $0.000116 USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $6,429,617 US. KIN is down 31.92% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 278, with a live market cap of $176,723,906 US. It has a circulating supply of 1,518,114,145,968 KIN coins, and a maximum supply of 10 trillion KIN coins. If you would like to know where to buy KIN, the top exchanges for trading in KIN are currently FTX, Gate.io, HitBTC, Bithumb Global, and FAPTTT.
It's only fair now that I give you a definition for KIN. So here it goes.
What is KIN? The KIN cryptocurrency is used as money within a digital ecosystem of consumer applications and services. It was initially launched as an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, and was designed to be the main currency in the Kik Messenger ecosystem. Kik had initially launched a rewards points system, not a cryptocurrency, called Kik Points that ended in 2017. KIN is short for kinship, since its aim was to strengthen ties within the Kik community. Kik raised around $100 million in the KIN initial coin offering, ICO, in September 2017. In September 2019, Kik said that it would be shutting down its messaging app in order to fight an ongoing lawsuit with the United States Security and Exchange Commission over whether the KIN ICO sold unregistered securities. In October 2019, Media Lab bought Kik Messenger with the goal of preserving KIN.
So guys, here is our price predictions for KIN. So KIN price prediction: should I invest in KIN cryptocurrency? Should I buy KIN today? According to our forecast system, KIN is an awesome long-term one-year investment. KIN can be a profitable investment option. KIN price equals to $0.00117 USD to date. If you buy KIN for $100 today, you will get a total of 854,285 KIN coins. Based on our forecast, a long-term increase is expected. The price prognosis for 2026 to date is $0.00965 US dollars. With 5 years investment, the revenue is expected to be around 724.79%. Your current 100 investment may be worth up to $824.79 in 2026. So there you have our predictions for the KIN. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe with post notifications. Make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe with post notifications turned on. And if you're looking for a place to save or store your coins, check out Trezor hardware wallet. It will be linked in the description below. Have a great day. Whiteboard Wealth signing out. Keep cryptoing.